Hello everybody, today we're going to make Ddakji from Squid Game. Yes. What you want to do is fold the papers into thirds, as you can see in the video. Perfect. Alright. Now we're going to fold it into make sure the triangles go on the opposite sides though. Like that. Now you do it to the other one. Perfect. Then you put them in a cross and fold the corners over in a very specific pattern, okay? So first, you have left, then you have bottom, then right, and then pay attention because you put it over and under from the top. So you go over the right one and under the first one, and then you make two of those. Now you can play with your friends. Enjoy!